and welcome back to day 3 of Oceans Where Feet May Fail by Hillsong United. So this is day 3, which means that we've already done our step-by-step videos showing you how to do each sign. Today we're just going to walk through the song a little slower than the music to practice before we sign with the music tomorrow. So remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you haven't already, you can check out the description where there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so starting from the top, you call me out upon the water. The great unknown where feet may fail. And there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep, my faith will stand. And then the chorus, I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours and you are mine. What a promise, right? Okay, so moving on now to verse number 2. Your grace abounds in deepest water. Your sovereign hand will be, the letter B coming out from the chin, be my guide. Where feet may fail and fear surrounds me, you have never failed and you won't start now. And then back to that chorus. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours and you are mine. And that line repeats again, I believe. Oh no, it just says, and you are mine, before we go into the bridge that repeats a whole bunch. Okay, Spirit, lead me where my trust has no limits, is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters. Wherever you would call me, take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, could ever search, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. And we'll do it one more time, even though this song does it like 6 times, okay? Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the water. Wherever you would call me, take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Okay, so when you're ready and when you're feeling confident, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. I hope wherever you are healthy and you are well. Bye. Now to him who is able to do far more than we can ask or imagine, according to the power within us. God gave us the power to change the world, and I just pray that you go and show God's love this week, and we'll see you next week for another song. Bye.